Good morning, my dear children. I am your maths teacher, Varsha. Okay, today we shall discuss a mathematics topic, that is divisions. That is Unit 1 divisions. Which topic it is? Unit 1. Unit 1 divisions. Okay, see, divisions. Say with me, divisons. Divisions. In this topic, we shall study what are the main points. See, what is division? What are the examples for the divisions? Then division by subtraction method and division by equal grouping methods. Okay. Before going to that, I ask some questions. Okay. See. I draw some pictures on the board, then count and tell me how many are there. Okay, see. I am drawing star. What shape it is? Sir, stars. See, all of you have seen now in the night on the in the sky. Okay, see how many stars are there? See, 1 and 2. How many I have drawn? 1 and 2. See, there are 2 stars. Then next I draw some circles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles are there? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 circles. So write it as a 4. Okay. Then I draw some mangoes. Okay. Look here, students. These are called as what? They are called as mangoes. Okay, mango is called as the king of the fruits. Right? King of the fruits is called as the mango. How many mangoes are there? See, look at here and count with me. 1, 2 and 3. How many mangoes are there? There are 3 mangoes. Okay. Now, what we did? We have counted the number of shapes or the pictures. Okay. Next we go for what is division. Okay. See what is division? Division means division means breaking a number into equal parts. Breaking a number into equal parts. Breaking a number into equal parts. See? Equal parts. Okay. Breaking a number into equal parts. See? Here, example. If I have a 4 chocolates. How many chocolates I have? 4 chocolates. Okay. How many? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I have 4 chocolates, then I have given to my friends. They are my pet friends. If I given them 2 chocolates. Okay. Or 1 you take. First I give you 1 chocolate to my friend. Today is my birthday. So I have given for them my birthday celebration. For that reason I have given 2 chocolates to my pet friends. How many chocolates I have given? 1 and 2. Okay, how many chocolates? There are 2 chocolates. Then how many I have chocolates? Then I have 4 chocolates. Then I have given 1 and 2 my friends. They are my friends, so they have given to them. How many chocolates? 2 chocolates. Then how many I have? 1 and 2. See? 1 and 2 chocolates I have. So, how to write this in divisions? See how to write this in divisions. See, I have, see, then I have 4 chocolates. Then, Windows can help you to create a space of. Look here students, how many chocolates I have? 4 chocolates. Then I have given to my friends 2 chocolates. See, remaining are 2. How many I have given? 2. It means I have given equally. I have also 2 chocolates. Then my friends have given them only 2 chocolates. Then how to write this in divisions? See, how to write these in divisions? See, I show you how to write. Look here carefully. Look the board. Then see. First I have a 4 chocolates. How many? 4. Then I have given 2 chocolates to 2 chocolates to my friends. 1 2 2. So 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1 means that is equal to 2 chocolates. So 2 twos are how much? 4. 2 twos are 4. Okay. So I have divided the chocolate. So I have 4 chocolates. How many? 1, 2, 3 and 4 chocolates. Then I have given 2 chocolates to my each friends. See, 1 and 2. Now I have how many chocolates only I have? Only 2 chocolates. I have given one chocolate to my friend and I have only remaining 2 chocolates. It means I have divided equally. Okay, equally. This is called as a division. Understood children? This is an example for a division. Okay. You see the other examples. Okay, see, look here students, how many pencils I have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many chocolate? How many pencils I have? 6 pencils, right? How many? 6 pencils. If I have wanted to give one pencil to Reena, Ritu and Ram. See, 6 pencils. How many pencils I have? 6 pencils. Then I am giving one pencil to Reena, 1 pencil to Ritu and 1 pencil to Ram. Then how many are remaining with me? See, 1, 2, 3. See, I give these 3 pencils to 1 to Reena and 1 to Ritu and 1 to Ram. Then how many pencils are with me now? See, only 3 pencils. See, how to write this? 6. First I have 6 pencils. So after that what I did? I have given 1 to Reena and 1 pencil to Ritu and 1 pencil to Ram. Then how many are remaining with me? See, 6 minus 3 that is equal to 3. Okay. 6 pencils I have. First of all I have 6 pencils. Then I have given one pencil to whom? Reena, Ritu and Ram. After that what I did? After that, how many are there? Here, see, there are 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So, now I have only 3 pencils. How I got it? Say 6 minus 3, then it becomes a 3. I have subtracted 6 pencils from 3 pencils, then I get how many pencils? Only 3 pencils. Right? This is an example for a division. Then, how to write this in division? See, how to write this in division. Okay, look here students. How many pencils I have? See, how many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, I have given first I have 6 pencils. Look here. First I have 6 pencils. Then I have given how many pencils? To Ritu, Raju and Ram. Okay. So, I give two pencils to Ritu, 2 pencil to Ritu and 2 pencil to Ram and 2 pencil to Raju. Okay, how many? 2 pencil to Ritu, 2 pencil to Raju and 2 pencil to Ram. Totally how many are there? So count it, 2 plus 2 that is equal to 6. Okay, see if I given so if 2 pencil to Ritu and 2 pencil to Raju and 2 pencil to Ram. Then I don't have any pencils with me, right? See how to do that? I have 6 pencils. Then I have given 2 pencils to Ritu, 2 pencils to Raju and 2 pencils to Ram. So addition of these three, 2 plus 2, that is how much? 6. 6 divided by 6, that is equal to 0. So I don't have any pencils, but each one, it means Ritu has 2 pencils and Ram has 2 pencils and Raju also has a 2 pencils. Okay, then see here how to write this in divisions. Okay, oh. First I have how much? 6 pencils. Then 6 pencils I have. Then I have given 2 pencil to whom? 2 pencil to Ritu and 2 pencil to Ram and 2 pencil to Raju. Right? So according to the multiplication table, first in order to solve the division problem, first we have to learn what? Tables. Okay, so learn the table for the 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are how much? 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Okay, up to learn 2 tables. Okay, see 2 threes are how much? 2 threes are 6. See 2 threes are 6. Then subtract 6 minus 6. It means 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. Right? 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. It means first I have 6 pencils. Then I have given 2 pencils to whom 3 represents Raju, Ram and Ritu. Raju, Ram and Ritu. So I have given them 2 pencils. Okay. See how many? I have divided into 3 parts. Means 3 students. Raju, Ram and Ritu. So this indicates that I have given 2 pencil to 3 students. It means a number is broken up into equal parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Okay. This is an example for a division. Right? Okay. Then we learn other examples. See other examples. Okay. Division by subtraction method. Okay, what's that? Subtraction method. Division by subtraction method. See how to do that? I show you. Okay, don't worry. See, first I have a 6 pencils. How many pencils I have? 6 pencils. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pencils. I have how many pencils? I have 6 pencils. Then what I did? 6 pencils to, and I give 3 pencils to Ritu, Kavita and Harsha. Okay, I give 1 pencil to Ritu, Kavita and Harsha. See, 1 pencil to Ritu and 1 pencil to Kavita and 1 pencil to Harsha. Okay, so I have given for them. It means 1 pencil to Ritu, 1 pencil to Kavita, 1 pencil to Harsha. Then how many pencils I have with me now? See, 3. See how to do that? Add these. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3 pencils. So 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3 pencils. See here, nodri ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 6 ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 I have a 6 pencils. then I have given one pencil ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ನ ರೀತುಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕವಿತಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಟು ಹರ್ಷ, ಮೂರು ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತದೆ, 1 2 3. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್, ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು 3 ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 3 ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಉಳಿದದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಓಕೆ, 6 minus 3 that is equal to 3. Subtract 6 minus 3 that is equal to 3. Then again what I did, see what I have to do is again I have 3 pencils, no, then again I give one pencils to Ritu and one pencil to Kavita and one pencil to Harsha. Okay, see, one pencil to Ritu, one pencil to Kavita, one pencil to Harsha. So Ritu and Kavita and one pencil to Harsha. Okay, I have given again one pencils to each of the students. See how many pencils they have. Now they have two pencils. How many pencils they have? They have 2 pencils to Ritu, 2 pencils to Kavita and 2 pencils to Harsha. How many pencils they have? 2 pencils. Each of them have a 2 pencils, right? 2 pencils they have. Then I don't. How many pencils I have with me? See. So first I have 3 pencils. Then I have again given these to one pencils to these. Count this, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So that is 3 minus 3, that is equal to 6. Okay, so 6, right? What I have did? See, first I have 6 pencils. Then I have given 3 pencils to Ritu, Kavita and Harsha, one pencil to each. After that what I did, 6 minus 3, subtracted 6 minus 3 pencils. Then how many pencils are remaining? Only 3 pencils. Then again what I did, see, 3 pencils. I have left with only 3 pencils. Then after that what I did, again I have given one pencil to Ritu, one pencil to Kavita and one pencil to Harsha. So addition of these. So they have 2 pencils, 2 pencils, 2 pencils with them. Then but I don't have any pencils. So 3 minus 3 becomes, that is equal to 3. It means subtract 3 from 3, we get a 0. Right? Understood, children? This is an example for a division by subtraction method. Okay. Okay. Then see, then how to write this in division. Okay. See how to write this. First I have how many pencils? 6 pencils. 6 pencils, right? How many students are there? There are 3. Ritu, Ramu, Ritu, Kavita and Harsha. Okay. How many students are there? 3 students. Who are those? Ritu, Kavita and Harsha. So 3, according to the multiplication table, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. So subtract 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. Okay. See here, students. See here. First I have a 6 pencils. How many pencils I have? 6 pencils. Then how many students are there? 3. Who are those? Ritu, Kavita and Harsha. These are the 3 students. Then I have given how many pencils to each of them? I have given 2. How I did? According to the multiplication table. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. So 3 2s are 6, that is equal to 0. So 2 indicates what? 2 means what it shows? 2 is called as the 2 pencils they have with them. Okay. 3 means there are 1, 2 and 3 students. Okay, so 6 means first I have how many pencils? 6 pencils. Okay, so this is an example for a division by a subtraction method. Understood, children? Next we go for a other example. Right? We go for a other examples. Okay. See, other example, that is using chess coins. Chess coins, right? I think you have already, you know that, you know about chess coins. See, I show you here chess coins. See, these are the chess coins. It's visible to you all now. See, these are the chess coins. See how many I have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many chess coins I have? 4 chess coins. Okay. See how many? 4 chess coins. Then, okay, what I do? Look here. I give one chess coins to whom? I give one chess coins to Ram. See, one chess coin to Ram. I give him. Okay, I have already given one chess. Then another one chess coin I give to Smita. Is that girl? Smita. Okay, I give another one chess coin to Smita. Okay, so how many are there? How many? 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 2, right? See, first I have 4 chess coins. Then I have given one chess coin to Ram and one chess coin to Smita. So there are totally how many chess coins are there? 2. So now I have how many chess coins with me? See, there are 2. See how to write this in division by subtracting method. See, first step is 4. 4 minus subtract 4. 4 chess coins from 2 chess coins because I have given to them. From whom? Ram and Smita, right? So 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Okay, understood, children? This is the first step. Then again what I have to do is, say, again I give another chess coin to Ram and another one chess coin to Smita. Okay, what I have to do is, I have only 2 chess coins. See, I have only 2 chess coins. Then I give one chess coin to Ram and one chess coin to Smita. Then I don't have any chess coins with me. Right? How to do that? See, 2 minus 2. Because I have only 2 chess coins. After that what I did? Again I have given one chess coin to Ram and Smita. So how many they have? Each they have 2 coins. Then total is how much? They have 4 coins. But I don't have any chess coins with me. Right? So 2 minus 2. That is, subtract 2 minus 2. We get a 0. Understood, children? This is an example for a division by subtraction method. Subtracting now. See, 4 minus 4 chess coins. I have given one chess coin to whom? Ram and Smita. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ? 2 ಚೆಸ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಚೆಸ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ರಾಮನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಚೆಸ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ, ರೈಟ್? So subtract 2 minus 2, we get a 0. Okay. Then how to write this in division? See, how to write this in division? Look here. How many chess coins I have? First I have 4 chess coins. Then this is called as a division box. Write the division box. Then how many students are there? 2. Who is that? Ram and Smita. Okay. So I have given how many chess coins to each of them? 2, right? 2 2s are 4. Okay. So according to the multiplication table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, that is equal to 4. Right? 2 2s are how much? That is equal to 4. Subtract 4 minus 4, then it becomes a 0. Right? Understood, children? This is an example for a division by subtraction method.